Have you ever looked at an image and wondered how to identify incomplete rectangles within it? It can be quite a challenge, especially when some edges are missing. If this sounds like you, stick around because today we are diving into how to identify and extract rectangles using OpenCV. I totally get it. Trying to extract shapes from images can be frustrating, especially when they are not perfect rectangles. You're not alone in this struggle. Many people face similar issues when working with image processing. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how would I go about identifying and extracting rectangles from an image, especially when they might be incomplete or have missing edges? If this resonates with you, let's explore some solutions together. So, what makes identifying incomplete rectangles tricky? Often it comes down to the fact that traditional methods rely on complete edges. However, with the right techniques in OpenCV, we can still detect these shapes even when they are partially visible. And don't go anywhere. I have a special tip at the end that will help you enhance your rectangle detection skills even further. To identify incomplete rectangles in an image using OpenCV, the user should first load the image and convert it to grayscale. This step is crucial for simplifying the image data. Next, the user should apply edge detection to highlight the boundaries of the rectangles. The canny edge detection method is a popular choice for this task. After detecting the edges, the user should find contours in the image. This will help in identifying the shapes present, including the incomplete rectangles. Now the user can filter the contours to identify potential rectangles. This involves checking the shape and number of vertices of each contour. Finally, the user should draw the identified rectangles on the original image for visualization. This will help in confirming which rectangles were detected. Fun fact, did you know that OpenCV stands for Open Source Computer Vision Library? It's a powerful tool that can help you tackle many image processing challenges. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests using morphological operations, specifically eroding and dilating, to identify incomplete rectangles in an image. These operations help create closed shapes. After processing, they recommend using a shape detection algorithm to identify rectangles. The user also notes that the detection algorithm expects white lines on a black background, so inverting the image is necessary. They provide a code example for detecting shapes and drawing contours. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. This user suggests using the Hoe transform to identify angles of interest in the image. They recommend finding pairs of angles that differ by 90 degrees and then looping through these pairs to identify spatial offsets for vertical and horizontal line candidates. From there, they propose using heuristics to identify likely rectangles from these orthogonal lines. Here's that special tip I promised. Experiment with different parameters in the canny and Hoe transform functions. Tweaking these can significantly improve your rectangle detection results. And there you have it. You now have the tools to identify and extract incomplete rectangles from images using OpenCV. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks in image processing.